Devil's Lake, Wisconsin, and we were about to pitch this, I don't know, 12-person Ozark 12 tent. All right, these are stakes and this stuff to get us started. We haven't had a practice run. That's a picture of the tent.
It's right here. There we go.
We haven't had any practice doing this one, so we're gonna start, and then we'll probably do it in fast speed to show you guys how to get set up. But yeah, take it all in. We'll see you soon. My time lapse got cut short, but it is an amazing tent. I didn't stake down the end yet. I wanted you guys to see how big it was. This is the Ozark Trail, 12-person tent. It is humongous. Has a back door, 4 big windows, also 1 window at each entrance, so 6 in total, and the screen. But wow, it's really nice. This is what it looks like empty. Jeez. I have the clips in case you want to have privacy. Look at that. And you have a zipper with a string. Sorry, really hot to separate the rooms. I believe that's why there's 3 windows on each side, in case you're gonna have 2 families. That's great. And you get the awning and the screen porch outside. Pretty much there were no downs. Screen porch was a little hard to pull out the stake, but that was the only downfall. Other than that, great tent for around the price of $184. Ozark Trail again from Walmart, 12 people tent, or 12 person. 6 windows and the whole dome. I'm coming, it's open. You also have, since my time lapse got cut short of me putting up the tent, here's a takedown of the tent, which we just did everything in reverse. Takes about like probably 10 minutes to first get it set up with the stakes and everything. Well, thank you guys for watching. And of course, if you like this video, give us a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Again, thanks for watching. We really appreciate it, guys. Bye now.